Hello everybody. Today I want to show you what I've done to create a sound system for my Iron Man build. It contains the sound the repulsors make when activated, and I thought I could, add this to my suit to make it a little more realistic. What I've used for this, well, this is a particular setup. It works with my build. And, I've seen that in the forearm section, there's enough space to house all the electronics. I don't know if it works the same for you, but well, this is what works for me. And hopefully, I don't know, for those of you looking for extra information on or how to do this, well, this is my project, basically. Now, as for the components, I'm using the DF Player Mini right here. It's pretty cheap stuff. It's like €3 on most platforms, along with an SD card. This is a 4 GB one. I've got two because I'm gonna make two similar ones. One for each forearm. And inside there's only one file that I've renamed 0001, and then just in case, I created an extra folder called MP3, and inside the folder there's the same file, just in case, because I've seen in several forums and in different places that people recommend doing this or that or the other. Just in case, I did, I took both routes, and that's the way it works. I just only want one sound to be able to be played, so that's what I've done. So it's in here on the card, and now it's in the slot. Perfect. This is going to be powered by or controlled by a Arduino Nano, powered by a 9-volt battery, and then I'm using these 4 ohms and 3 watts speakers. Now I'm going to use these two. And then one of these end-stop switches that works really well. I think I'm gonna add an extra button here to activate the whole system, but well, I'm gonna show you the way it works. So it comes out from these. Pretty loud, so I don't need any amplifiers or any other stuff. I think it's loud enough the way it is, so I'm gonna just install that in my forearm, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So here it is, installed. I have a close-up here of the speaker that I used, and well, a few other things, well, normal stuff. Well, and this is exactly the way I've placed it here in the forearm. As you can see, it's all hot glued. That's a speaker, that's the DF Player Mini, and all the cables hot glued on the inside. That's their Arduino Nano and the battery. Well, my arm fits through there perfectly well, so there's enough room in this cavity to house all the components and the wires. And as you can see, these are the two switches, which I've hot glued together because one of them connects the lights, and the other one connects the sound. The idea is when pressed simultaneously, well, the sound and the light will happen at the same time. So that's the idea. So I hope you guys can see everything well. Well, let's try. So here's the suit connected, and well, these are the wires
that ran through the arms right here. Well, basically the system that you guys have to make this work is probably similar to this. Well, but the fact is that these two switches are connected together, and when I press this right here, well, the light and the sound should happen at the same time. Let's see what happens. And if you keep it pressed, well, so that's it. I'll leave the link to the components that I used in the description of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye.